Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Most of the Hakka people living in the Yulan neighborhood of Datung Township in Yilan County moved there from Hsinchu and Miaoli some 50 years ago. They first grew rice, but soon started to grow tea. Working in tandem with local Aboriginal and Taiwanese residents, together they created the now famous Yulan tea.
住在宜兰县大同乡玉兰社区的客家人，是在民国40-50年从新竹苗栗一带迁移过来。原先是以种稻为生，民国60年后改种茶叶，和当地的原住民闽南人一起努力，以玉兰茶打响了知名度。近年来已转型为玉兰休闲农业区。
Hey everyone, it's time for Let's Talk About Hakka right here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿兵哥 Leo。Hello，
大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。And again， 很开心回到我们的这个哈卡的单元。
没错啊。
And 今天我们还要继续带大家去宜兰这个地方哦。宜兰 again not too far away from Taipei, and it got a lot of beautiful scenery right there aside from the hot springs. And today we're going to take you up into the mountains today.
我們今日要去宜蘭縣嘅太同鄉。
太同鄉哦，這是大同鄉，對不對？
是。
Okay, that is the township that we're going to bring you to called 大同 Township. And again, it's located in the mountains of Yilan. And up there's a beautiful place called 太平山森林遊樂區, which is the Taiping Mountain Recreational Forest.
太平山森林遊樂區。
太平山 okay, that's the place. 森林 is forest.
遊樂區。
遊樂區遊下去了。遊樂區不是遊樂區
有點像
It's a recreational area. I know it's very beautiful up there because 我很多朋友常常就是会去这太平山这个游玩哦。
没错啊，
因为很多时候大家想要去看一个湖，叫做什么湖？翠什么湖，对不对？
翠峰湖。
Exactly. That is a beautiful lake up there called the 翠峰 Lake. Now, if you're lucky, you'll be able to see it. But if you're not, it gets foggy up there sometimes. 听说有时候那边会起浓雾，就会看不到这个湖了，对不对？
对对对。
浓雾的话，教一下大家怎么说？
蒙撒盐。
蒙撒盐啊，
很像啦，但是对，它是像一个沙，形容它像沙一样。蒙撒盐。
我有看到雾要撒盐是一种什么迷信？不是，是哈卡的讲法，蒙撒盐。That means getting foggy. But if you do see fog, 其实如果起雾的话，那就干脆看云还好了啦，对不对？You can actually see the clouds up there in the mountains, and it's just as beautiful as seeing the lake in case you go on a foggy day. So when you have time, go check out again the 太平山 Recreational Forest. And that does it for today's Let's Talk About Hakka.
什么大家？
俺子 say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.